morning, everyone. We are sorry to tell you that we're leaving the Canadian Rockies. We intended to get up with the sun and get out of here, but we continue to prove to ourselves that we can't do that. So here we are at about 10 o'clock, and we're driving into Calgary now from Banff. And we're going to cross the border in Sweetgrass, Montana. We're going to try to put on about 400 to 500 miles today, if we can. Hopefully things go smooth. We've done it once, so now we're a well-oiled machine. I don't anticipate any problems. Yeah, we're not hitting the park, but it's on both sides. Okay.
All the mountains are gone. Now just rolling hills. There's the last of them.
Gigi, tonight we're going to take you to our cabin in Montana.
Does it have electricity?
No, it doesn't. But tomorrow night we're going to take you to our cabin in South Dakota.
Okay.
And we have electric there.
Oh, that's good. I'll be able to breathe.
Running water, plumbing. How you like that? We got caught by 30 seconds.
Yep.
By a house.
Wow.
Not even by a house.
Oh, he's moving over so we can go. Thank you, sir.
You got caught behind part of a house.
Dad.
Welcome to Calgary. Look at the fish. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, this is fun.
Hey, Gigi.
Wind turbines. You see the big way on the horizon.
Some of it's straight, but most is still.
The rain is changing.
Yes, it is. Look at that.
They have
Yeah.
We're here at the border in Sweetgrass, Montana. Got all my items in hand, and let's give it a go. Well, we're back home. Made it through. Just asked for our license plate number, what we bought, and that was it.
Is that the Montana sign?
Yep.
Montana. He asked if it was Alaska.
Yeah, and I said no. He was trying to, he purposefully asked that question. He asked if our plate was from Alaska, and I said no. Did I say we were visiting Alaska?
No, he didn't even know. You just said South Carolina.
I said no, it's not. It's South Carolina. And I think that's what he wanted to hear.
maybe they
Just trying to.
suspected somebody coming from there.
No, he saw that we told him we were going to Alaska when we crossed into Canada the first time. We told him we had been to Alaska.
Okay.
Well, he had record that we had been because we used our passports to go through that time.
Yep.
So
And then he said, "You got anything to?"
declare, did you purchase? And I said, a few t-shirts, and we have minor groceries.
And no, and then he goes, that's it?
He said, that's it? And I said, yeah. I'm a cheap SOB. No, I didn't say that.
And then he said, go ahead and go.
Yeah. And I said hello when I pulled up. And he didn't say hello back.
Oh.
They're,
Well, they have to be.
right. So it feels really good to be home.
U.S. soil, baby.
I mean, we love our Canadian neighbors, but I don't know. I feel something. Y'all feel something?
Yep,
No, not
do.
really.
I feel
Home.
I wasn't the least bit worried. I've been through customs in Europe and in
Uh-huh.
Mexico and here. And it's really not anything to be afraid of if you did, unless you did something wrong.
3.7 or 3.9. No, 3.8. 3.8. There.
we're about 20 miles north of Great Falls, Montana still. And we found Dave's RV spot in Montana. Not every night is a beautiful national park campground. So Dave's RV is a pull-through site in town. $31 for electric, and electric was important tonight. We try to do the Walmarts and various free options on days like this, but it's reading 95 degrees here in Montana right now. We're about empty on groceries, so someday here, maybe this evening, maybe tomorrow, we have to make time again for grocery shopping. I'm down to my last pair of socks, so we're in need of a laundry. It's a beautiful Montana scene here. This morning I did get a reservation for 2 nights near Mount Rushmore, somewhere between Keystone and Rapid City. By the way, we're on a big downhill. This is what the coaches like at 72 miles an hour going down the hill. Very controllable, really comfortable. Anyway, we'll show you Dave's RV and campground here in a minute. Well, apparently everybody else knows about Dave's RV park here in Great Falls, Montana. It was about 97 when we arrived here, which stays true to Rolling Ragu bringing on the heat wave wherever we travel to. Man, it was tough. We rode the last few hours with the generator running and both roof airs going. Got here and we're finally cooling down. The park itself looks good enough. Right outside the gates though is a railroad track and a 20 to 30 track railroad junction type place. So I'm anxious to see what happens tonight. There is also a somewhat rowdy bar right across the street. The GPS did take us through kind of in a circle around the park to get to it, and so we got to see the areas of town that are adjacent to us. And it's not, I mean, I wouldn't let Cindy go out shopping by herself in this area, which is why she's out shopping with Gigi for protection. The ladies went out to Walmart because this is the first time we've been around reasonable groceries in the better part of since we've been in Canada, to be honest with you. So several weeks. We were told on the phone it was 31 something for the site. And when we got here, they had forgotten to ask us our size. And when they saw us, they said, oh, you don't fit on the $31 one. So she moved us to a full service site here. And the full service is another $15. And she said, well, do you need water? And I said, yeah, I guess we're gonna use water. And she said, well, I'll tell you what, I'll charge you just $5 more for the water. And don't use the septic dump that's here on site.